Share this video, guys. Hey, Share the video. Don't show it. Let's go now. Let the saga continue. Who the young? What's the young? What the song? Izzy Omoruyi. Shift closer. I welcome to my platform, Live on Direct. I'm next to you now. Share video, man. Yes, sir. Kingsley Adua, the Azonto master. Now I sing this song. Kingsley Adua, the Azonto master. You don't see one. You feel so? Or the enemy of friends. Easy. Now you get this song. You wanna walk according to what is happening in this regime. Here, Bunua. Why ya buy one or make it a yard and why? When all these songs they play, it get meaning. Not like they play song. If they play this meaningful song due to what they happen, me not they use on the learn. Don't be sagele mayo. What are they use all this song they learn? Ni work with Funania, a Kingsley no. A Kingsley no. You also absorb of what? Are they dead? Are they your key? Oh, are you too? Why I don't want to give it sense. When I'm going to play song where they give sense. When I choose for the one of the see something they give that in parable. Yeah, I want to because why? It can't so running on near anyone. It can't so run like a man. It can't so run near anyone. I don't go. I will be here. Master, or your way in wine. No, let me play on for you. Let me play one for our sister, Franca Amen Brown. Nick Boga self love. Or when I will go on. What is boy? Yeah. Self-love. I love my life. I love myself. I'm for myself. No. See you. Wow, alright, you know I'm back. You were this life, I can't please anybody. I don't like to please anybody. You may come and do the jealousy. You may come and do the MPP. You may come and do the just CD. I don't care, I do what I like. I like what I do. I do what I like. I like what I do. I catch my cruise. I free my cruise. I smoke my funny and I feel alright. If you don't love me, you can up. I'm the baba, the body, the baba, the body, the baba, the body, the baba. I'm the baba, the body, the body, the body, the baba, the body. Why you? Why you say? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you do? Why you say? Why you say? I love my life. I love myself. I love
If you don't love her, she can't use the
back door. You can use the back door. Alright. Please share this video, guys. I greet you all with that time. Don't stop, don't bust. Let me do my drink first before I go talk. Share the video. Last time I went to YouTube. No. TikTok. Me and TikTok, you know. What's this month I go sweet. Go sweet today. Now share the video. Today video go sweet. You can use the back door. But with this man, yeah, you're well. Before I go start, let me give you a reply to Enogie Izzy. I want to give you this reply because of the video you did today. You see, because you have a bad heart, that's why God doesn't bless you. You understand? Enogie, you see me, if people are congratulating you, it is for yourself. Rather, it is for your achievements. What you achieve at that very moment, that's what they are congratulating you. When people are congratulating me, it is my achievement, what I achieve at this very moment. That's why they are congratulating me. So, I see no reason why your congratulations would give me a headache. You don't get what me, you did drag. You did Italy, I did Germany. You understand? You don't get one thing with me, you did drag. Now you did drag things with me, which I never knew till now. See, juice plus seller, I be juice plus seller. Fine and good. I come into the limelight, I pass you. Now my own way, now my own style, my own content, make people love me. You understand? I see your atrocity, your nuisance, and they position you to where you belong to, because you belong to the dustbin, basura. Now they put you. Even though they put you for that basura, if you change, you clean up, I will say dragging your body as my son. You understand? I'm not getting any grudges against you. Seriously. Now you declare me one of your worstest enemy for this life. You know the reason why? Because why? I they cure you the way they touch your body. Guys, hear me, you know, sit me here, you don't deceive people. You say that now the key, sagrade this one, sagrade this one. You usually deceive people. All these your gullible fans when they follow you, you usually deceive them. Saga the buy. Saga the land people to depression. E.g., Enogie Izzy, I always say, your twins when you born. Now my saga make you go born out with operation. Now me saga your wife collapse for his room. The Russian, the ambulance over, the kind of hospital. She used operation to born. She born premature. The most the way it's supposed to reach before you born never reach. Before they have to bring out the children from her womb. Because of saga where they watch, where they put out your body water. So what are you saying? Stop deceiving your gullible fans. Say saga on the key. Never say, oh yepa, saga the key. People see my eye clear. You know the kind of saga with the key. Saga will be saying truth, facts. We now you they talk this for media, they deceive people, maybe they call your party. See saga, who the saga help, who saga on the key. We now this media saga you. You saw the drink permit for live video. They talk permit, they ask for what you kill your back. What he put you to that mood will make the drink palm for like you. They ask for what he by your father. You sat down the key. Sat down the key. Saga they condemn you. Saga they bring you down. Saga they destroy your integrity. Your personality. Saga they bring you down. Saga on the key. Very dark man. They fear for the whole world. No. Very dark man. Not before. Don't be Nigeria. The whole world. Saga on the key. Go try very dark man. Me, I know your matter. You go sit down for that in one room with a pure water. You put up your body with water. You go to run a task. Not let we they deceive now because of party where they come. Saga not the key. Saga not they do anything for better body. Now you the saga people. Saga. When you want to know saga, now batting. May you want to enter present a month. May enter Monica, may enter my month. May enter Enogie month. That's how you go know saga they do something. They believe Enogie. They deceive them because of a party where they come. Be Lord, go look Be Lord today. Be Lord. When for that man, I ain't matter. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. See, bless the CEO. Wait, see, he don't want to see inside this hangar too. Go look the life of bless the CEO. You go know saga they enter body with. Go check that dark. That they correct their head now. Now saga. Social media. One play with social media. Just to give yourself hope. When you go reach your tongue and you go know what saga they do for body. No, if you never saga, you could say, you saga, you want to tell you lawa. You want to tell you lawa. You want to tell you lawa. Oga, make you reach your body first. You go know what to be saga. That time your food go dey burn for fire. You no go know when you go take burn. You know, go to marriage, okay? Or 1,000 like me. People who go and not get married, they be useless people. Anybody who go and not get married, why? They are just the same thing like Enogie Izzy Omoruyi. See this woman. No, mama were there for Canada. I watched her video, what she do. I was just laughing. Right from time, you know that woman is worthless. Right from time. Now I know say mama she's worthless. They can't not get sense. They are worthless, they are cheapless, they are so loose as a woman. Person like that woman, mama, she's a loose dog. All those kind of women, now they burn for party, they go burn and attack and they whip her. You don't even know whip her. You don't even know the address, don't even know office. You're burn, you're paying, canopy, burn, you're kind of back of canopy, you're whip her. That's people like mama. People they lick their vomit. The same couple when you use math spoil. The same marriage when you use math spoil finish for social media. And the same marriage they do advert for me they come. No, I don't mind drink. I don't mind drink. There are some people on this media. They're not going to go far. You know why? They are unstable presenter. Unstable presenter. They're not stable. All those pure water presenters. If you put pure water on top of table, you're going to shake, you're going to wave. That's what they be. This one say gay, they will gay follower. This one say ha, they will ha follower. That is the kind of people they be. That is why they can never make it on social media. As they just they use beauty camera, they make noise for camera. That's what they make noise. These are presenters that build their platform with their money. They give out for people to be following them. They pay. They spend money because they don't have something tangible to talk about. Now those lemon. Lot of lemon. That's why they lemon themselves because lemon number. If lemon mistakenly put copyright for a video, now all their content go down because they don't get anything tangible to come out on media to achieve, to say, to talk about, to use and build their platform. They'll get followers. Now people follow us and they use to build their own. You understand? So these are kind of people with a B. Ewi. That means talking as God bless me with documents. I said I'm going to give you for your marriage. I'm going to you. All the goats and the idiots that fit to go eat rice when they never eat for their entire life. I would hear they drink my beer. I don't get home. I would express myself over you. All I think of now, not to get or not to get a contract, get work. That's my next prayer now. Waiting a day after now, I'm going to get contract. Maybe for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, but when I get left contract, that's my plan. Not with you. You know my problem. I don't really get a document. All the juju word of my plan gather at the end of the day, you don't go in vain. God don't bless me. And you don't know what's your problem. That's why I tell you. Not be say that joke. I have to start everything with my phone. From the first day when they give me an appointment on July 8th. July 8th appointment in my phone. Where be July 7th, she must disgrace your body. That's it, July 8th, they give me sleep. The sleep is in my wallet today. The sleep is in my wallet. You understand? The sleep of that July 8th. When the sleep, I was supposed to go, we have to go take document September 19th. Still in my wallet now, I show that day. Sleeps. I sleep. You understand? The one where I showed yesterday, your eye blind. You know, sir. They found my name where you want to go screenshot. Wow, so. You understand? Why I don't blame you? Even my daughter, when you get 2 years document, when you come post them, you still say na fake. Who will you tell fake not to console yourself and your wife? Last you see cause you use and beat your wife, blow your wife, end marriage because of 2 years document. I wonder what he will do for 5 years document. Where I guess so. Oh God. Yeah, dream here. I'm 1 year. Now, you say because they celebrate, they congratulate you. I don't understand. They congratulate you. Let me go talk say I get document. Are you mad? You know, guess so. Eh, no, you when. Oh. When I congratulate you, you want to show? You want to party? They congratulate you want to party. Now make me go to do massive congratulations. You don't get sense. See, make I play. You want to show? I want to share the video, guys. Share the video, guys. No, table shaker. I premiere I showed them the video. It's not rich. The one I want to show now, I also show yesterday. Now for my lovely fans, we believe me with them. Many people show yesterday. May they see and say yes. Not be scam. Now my fans are showing to not be Enogie and Disguagua people. My lovely fans that genuinely love me now showing to. May they see and say, Yepa. Now reality will not be joke. Now play when me being my guy. Now so you just talk, they argue. I go see from hand, hey, buy ticket, I go to Nigeria. Oh, you mean what you do? Oh, you argue with it. I will take you know. Oh God. I'll go to Nigeria. Come back. Oh, you wait for me. Thank you. Yeah, I won't go enjoy. Yeah, I won't go enjoy. Now, don't give me the thought. Yeah, I won't go enjoy now. The Bible says, thank you. All the people that were the reporter, thank you. All the supporters who came to support us. Thank you. We appreciate you now. God will bless you now. What do you do for our life? We appreciate you. God will bless you. Enogie Izzy, the same truth, they will say that support. Yeah. See where they celebrate me.
Thank you. God bless you now. One go and see now. There we go.
I don't know what they don't do these children. God go bless you now. They go for Pori. We are in the feel right now. Vera television program. How you they feel right now? See your children. See your children. Check them out. See them like the big boy. Don't go play. Vera, you see her? You see your children. Fine boys. See them. Your mom. Your mom was here. See swag now. Vera, you don't visit this kind of places where you're abroad. See her. Check her now. Vera, they see them. They see children. Children where you say they be wish. See her now. See there. How you they feel? How you they feel right now? As I play, I mean they see her. Because I'm going to play when you go see her. You go land. You go reach where you dey. When I tag Vera to the video program here, let me see children and they enjoy. See them with barbecue. Vera, how you feel around? There, mom. See children with people they fire our car. See there, see them. Big men, they get money. They find children. They see your children. There is money where beer, where oil, where you are about to see them. Only small touch, then we touch their life turn upside down. They turn, see them. And your children believe so. Now my document is celebrate. Now my document is celebrate. They don't celebrate their mother. You know why? You are a failed mother. You are a failed. These children character, they take good character from their father's hand. You see your children, and they enjoy. Now what they want me to do this one? Any have your way. They are not rich. They are not fuck off. They are fuck off. When they have your way. Oh, that's a million. That's me wrong. These children don't belong to the government. Don't belong to the whole world. Home. They take care of them. They take care of them. You speed the mates. Also, you go crawl your knee. You see children. You see your children. When I share this video, make this people that day. Make this people don't get it. Don't get it. How far? How you feel? I don't say they watch me with your fake account. They see see fish. Yeah. You don't get with the top fish. Not get with. The one must be a chop fish. Don't get with. Don't must be chop fish. Nice one, boys. This is not 50K. Not 50K. You're going to go flex. No why these children, but I look they sweet me. Where they sweet me. Now, continue to remind them, you know, the channel now. Where I will look these children, I will get joy. Mama not there. Papa not there. If they carry the life they go like that, just like me and my siblings. Una, when they watch me so, now join hands together and support these children. This will not say because they don't support them now, they want to feel big. The same people when they get they suffer, they get to eat together, they eat hand from mouth, they still drag them near body. They still drag the near body. They want to go eat so, they want to go flex so, they want to go party, they will still carry some people. See the way of the dress fine. That's to tell you, see the money when they break them, as they buy clothes for themselves, they still buy, they give all those guys. If you now go watch their first video, now go see all of the dirty, but today look them with their friends. They are dressing good. They dress fine. They don't buy clothes. They wear good clothes. Now God will bless you. I want to say very big thanks to all of you now when you support these children. Through my platform, through the platform, all the live video producers when you will post their account, when support them. Now God will bless you now, bless all those presenters. God will richly bless all of you now. I really ask you. Not be only me one doing. I mean all of us. Now collective efforts. Collective effort, collective effort. We join hands together. Make sure these children they become great somebody in society. You understand? And God will bless you now. God will continue to bless you now. I appreciate of that. I get document, they celebrate me without me even knowing. If them say I see him, now let them tag me with the video. I see him. I say no, I can't play him. And the way I play him, day before yesterday, they get 160,000. Today, I give you 50,000 where I promise. That's 210,000. Then they still that 3 years this way they celebrate. Then they do this video. They see once they see their life, they still come on, they go eat trees, they go eat. Because they watch the video, they say, and that's how I will send them money, they go do flex. They really go flex the video and then I go see them. Say yes. As I talk and they go do one with their friends. And so life be nothing to this life. Enogie. You see, if I be you, if you want me things go away for you, if you feel saga anybody, but you see all these children, don't know you're supposed to saga. If I be you, I'll call them, I'll beg them, I'll send them money. I'll call them, even before my marriage, so I will just call them, make them no verse. Anything I do with verse, I'm gonna forgive me, I will send them money. If I be you, if I be you, I will do it. I don't say you don't go do it because when they form Buga, when they dress that, take me. When they form big ball, take me. When they form strong man, we don't strong, take me. I must be land you. That's by the side. But one thing I'm assuring you, according to your video you did today, one thing I want you to understand, I want to correct. I know you small people, you don't get sense. That's one thing about you. Women, because the mugus will wash you, I make one repeat this word to you. You said that they celebrate you. My guy, nobody they celebrate you. They mock you. Understand? Nobody they celebrate you. Then they mock you. If they celebrate you, your celebration is disgrace. I can never, because of your celebration, lead to disgrace. To decide to start celebrating myself. No. It is my turn to shine, and I keep on shining. You don't understand. What is natural is natural. What is natural is different from artificial. My celebration, my congratulation, it is not artificial. It is natural. They give me documents. Also, you and Domogo, you guys are not hearing me. They give me documents. Not be sojourner. Not be 6 months sojourner. Also, make I shout. Make the house fall. Before you know, see, you be Oswald. Oswald, I don't be like you will go show France passport. You know the reason why you did that? Because you want to show France passport. Since they give you France passport, you don't get passport. You want to go pay Akobe. Akobe, you know, I make celebration, they don't give you document, and the you don't mark a document. I don't be like you, bros. Want sleep. Come on, chop, take it as well. Congratulations to me. And now what? There's a reason why we are here today. Amen. Do me, I do you blog. Thank you very much for that prayer. Every one of you that supported those children, God bless you. Waya wa wesi. Ami yemo ya we no support the kan. La go down wa mi o wa to. Wa to wa mu se na gbomu wa gbo. Now please share this video. Let me play a video for you guys. It don't bust. I say I want to talk to him. It's very, very important. Oh, how can you that? Oh, I suppose I to talk since now I'm going to talk. Or this video need to be not to this talk too. I want to carry it for Facebook and to the killer for TikTok. Because these are sweets. Thank you very much. We'll see. Joyful. Those people they play little music. Me I enter. Me I drink beer. I'm on you. I always say, I see my wife. I never said about this. See my lovely wife, Juliet Omenwe. That's my wife. My wife be that one. You know, I see I'm not giving a love like go. And my be that one. Yeah, go on. That's my yori wife. But when you pay bride price, when you go your home, when you war, I mean go here. The loss is just supposed to go away. No easy. You are your name because you are paid bride price for control. No, we just boss you pay bear. The boss you have one equity of one. You are paid bride price. Very important. Very important. Oh God. What is going on? What's alright there? Okay. I don't do for think before you talk. I don't do for think before you talk. On Facebook. I'm on TikTok. And I'm on Facebook. When my care nothing, now we need to talk about it. I'm making a balance. Watch every video now. I'm now wherever. Okay, TikTok now, don't need. You want to press a love I like. You want to press a like your team. Eddie. Woman go Facebook. What love I like you. Woman so kekere west nya pin. Yeah, well. You want to enjoy program. You want to go in the share. The man when he's talking now, this young look when he's Facebook, I don't understand. Only me in the way when he's TikTok here. Young look when he's Facebook. When I'm maybe when he's TikTok, if when he's Facebook, go here come. We are to share. Share. Oh wow, share we. Double loud. Quite tell myself. Oh, I share. Why don't you tell my share? We're not actually when we're not here. Say, double loud. Oh, God, Epa Eddie. Yeah, table will move. Nothing else won't really put. You want to for you, but they want to table with. Okay, I say, oh, awesome, going in that shit. That's it. Why, we're mamma living here. Yeah, well, in your place. But TikTok, yeah, worry. Yeah, what pimp. And then you want to love like why you look bad and why you can also work at 10K. Love like. Facebook, I bow away. Why am I taking love and like Facebook? I bow away. No one will not love. Master, off what good. Boy, I know what. Now, you know, I'm in the channel. As you can see, I'm in my office. We don't have Izzy Omoruyi Omoruyi, aware at this kind of time. You a Christmas light as well. We a Christmas light. Oh, c'est club. Oh, c'est club. No ya wokia. Or the Christmas light. You work by a club. I come here where man. I will go for it. I want near door yo. But I give me your office in the studio. Or give me your studio where you the Christmas light mugu. Now you can also be no how the water. In one side. Now it don't boss. It don't set. First, now Peter don't fall out for Izzy Omoruyi. That's one side. Secondly, Izzy Omoruyi. If I talk something and they come to pass, I'm going to chop, I'm going to drink beer, I'm going to appear, I'm going to dedicate. In a prophesy, in a say, yeah, your way. I say, before they go bury Sharon, many Sharon friends will confess. Walimuaka. No, you need Muaka. People don't believe me. They also don't saga. In reality, they will confess. Ya can't pop one one. You boy first now, Peter. You can't make confession. Now, if you don't want to show you, I'll show you. It is very, very important.
Now, we be the fix this Sharon case now. Say if we done the end, we not know say that the thing catch fire. He catch fire, my people. Me, they could have come yes for you. And they work out for inside media just now. Now I see say Izzy Omoruyi. Una know say she first off say the time where Sharon take woman. He said that Mama Sharon, I call the narrate Sharon say.
I beg you go beg now. For those who know they for Facebook and TikTok, beg now listen to this video on our place so. And as I play, I'm going to confirm within this woman they talk. You understand? Me, I know the side within bad. I stand for truth. Sharon walk by normally. She's supposed to go rest in peace. So that peace will deal. Some of them when they feel in a prison, they don't make Sharon rest in peace. Will not be idiot, will not get sense. Now let me flash you guys to my mobile. After talk now, mobile never say rest in peace. Mobile still the mortuary, never bury him. They bury mobile, they go root mobile for ground again. Don't be every spirit to feel rest in peace. But I never see vengeance. There's those days they say vengeance is of the Lord, but this time around, vengeance only for the Lord again. You understand? Many people buy without no vengeance. Their spirits they run up and down for heaven or whatever they do. Nowadays, there are some people that are very slow in life, but when they are gone, they become active spiritually. Many of them are not going to know the name of the spirit, what happens when they are gone, they become active. There are some people that are very active in life. When they are gone, they will just die like chicken. They will just go like chicken. Nobody will hear them, no matter anything. You understand? They happen with that. If you ask me, check the life of Mohbad. No Mohbad, they are like many of them don't know. But when they die, the whole world know about. Now, Izzy month another they work out they go that small. If they work out they go like that small, like a better part my neighbor. They do the dragon. Before the rope go cut, they do the dragon. Mohbad rope don't cut. Mohbad rope start like a better, but now Mohbad rope don't cut. Mohbad don't enter listed generator. Now so the Mohbad case could be now. You understand? This Sharon matter now, don't they work out they go a better pass my neighbor. he never got. Or the name of where bestie. Izzy Omoruyi say, he don't go to no shami. You understand? Say my case don't do like behind. Now my house like this, so let me quick run call house. I can't check my letter box, or they don't send me letter. Because I go give my lawyer. So that we'll film it in court. Very dark man go meet, House of Rep, House of Representative, House of Representative today. You understand? The Bobrisky not come. I don't make today. No, share this video. Oh, check this now. No. Sharon bye. When Sharon dey come, Ewi Richard News and the Enogie came on to bust the news. One of Sharon's auntie, one of her auntie called me that night. That early morning, after I know they bust the news finish, having was on tears. So see the news really happen. As he was talking, I went on Facebook straight down. Everybody cast. All those AHA members, so they said, why? Some blog don't really like post a picture because I know it's not cast down. You understand? So we eat my baby. Because I was remember now. I think they're never there. Now what you my present, my crew, no lie. As I see her, it shocked me. I asked the auntie, is she alive? The woman said, yes, she's alive. She's in coma. She did coma. This man will not want rest for your this sister Sharon Omoruyi, but this boy you will move. Okay, now best. You will come sit down with your data, your own money. You see Netflix, you don't watch. All programs, they TV, you know what? Nollywood, they you know what? Even everybody really ask one movie now. You know Nollywood, you know go watch. For YouTube, Perfect Film TV. You know me go watch everybody yansh, me look they come. You know watch all the Nollywood actors and actors, all the movie they ask. You know what you like. You consider this woman, this boy will be useless, boy will be idiot. Now you won't come watch, my friend. You're a bloody civilian. You're an idiot. Get out of my platform, idiot. Animal. I'm an idiot. Idiot. Be watching idiots. It don't make sense now. Maybe idiot because you watch me. You're an idiot. So, I came out categorically to debunk that video that Enogie did that Sharon is dead. The next thing, after some days or some weeks, Sharon give up the cause. He don't buy. Really, he don't really buy. When they hear all of us say yes, he don't buy. Fear not that they come out put us say he don't buy. Now this same me, now I come out online and say he lost his sister. May her soul rest in peace. Without no fear or favor, I talk him. Really, I talk him. I was eating my chicken just where they talking and they eat chips and they eat cheese, planted chips here. I was eating my fried turkey with my beer, playing my sorrowful song. Akbami you understand? The next thing, Enogie will come out. One come announce in own, use my video, the saga me. You know, give me woto. Say me not want to me eat turkey. I'm like, oh God. This is when I know the campus will be. Me, I call the more person. I know more mama. I know more my pa. Person we are more for first now go more. You are idiots. He pay me say as young, fresh with Bombi, fresh breast, fresh makeups, carry come out like that. Now pay me. I want to see people be that one. I'm not gonna lie you. I'm not the. You don't know how many dead body I don't see. You know how many dead body I don't bury. Where I want the month person die. I'm a cameraman for how many years for Benin? Ask of F&J production. I mean be that one. That's my studio. I do record it. Not be now they do better for the time. Night burial. Now we did there. Now they carry like the record video from the body. They go the very person go the video Instagram. I never cry. You see children go they cry. They go the more for now. Cameraman they cry. Come around the fall. And no, it's not the fuck cameraman for church or anywhere. I don't got a cry for small picking. We are senior. Why I can't cry when I get beer? I don't drink beer. I have to console myself. So now I don't give you come on Instagram. Okay. The next day, what you go see now Samedi. One of the list, you get where they go. For those of them waiting for TikTok, where they always watch Izzy Omoruyi, where they call the confess for TikTok. I tell you, say you go talk, you will confess until the very shower. You never see anything. Me, I decided to give any updates about Sharon Corpse, but now I pay now down. You could not confess. When you go and confess, I won't give you updates about the cops as a bidder. It's not anything again. You know that because you are not to become an enemy of the family. So there is nothing about Sharon and you know. You will only come and be talking and confessing as they do now. And now me, that's what is my eyes, and I mean more. Now me saying they should not call you and tell you anything again. Including that thing, so-called bloody household enemy called brothers. Because I don't know. Now, you don't really know the campus we are be. If you know the campus we are be, Izzy Omoruyi, you don't go put your mouth out to me. Especially that's where you call best friend. So, if you know how connective I be to the father side, not be to the mother side at all, to the people side, you don't put your mouth out to me. There are some more the way of you play. It's for private. I'll listen and keep quiet, I'll keep calm. If I play, I'll call it on the family side, father side. Because I'm not guessing. Oimi, I'm going Oimi, I'm going why then why? I believe in me, I have context. I will have you to talk. You are going, you want to talk. The things you keep quiet. Don't talk. No, sit down. No. Osamede TV. You jump out. No one make news. Osamede night tell us in inside between me die. Na inside between me for. Izzy, come, you don't get sense. You go enter problem if you deal with me. If you dare me, I will put you for problem for this abroad. You know how nobody will call Frank. I will drag you, I will put problem. Me, I don't ready for you baby. And I expect your letter. We will meet for court. As you prepare your video, that's why I prepare my own. I cook my own done. Oh God. The first person that tell us what back is Sharon was Osamede TV. Then every other person pick up from there, including Eddie Murphy. All this video are me. You don't try yourself for you easy. I go drag you on your mouth for this video. I go blow you on your mouth. Because I get evidence. My name is Rokba. See my name all those muggles, all those lunatic men waiting for Facebook, TikTok. We don't get wife. They talk. They will be inside that video. They talk. And they do live video for TikTok and they bring my face come out. You don't see me, they do dark audio. You go, you see my picture, you see my name and the crease. You see my face real life, and me talk. So that if you can't go give lawyer, you go see my face. All my friends don't say, that's my number, that's my name, that's my document, everything you go see. You feel me so? Now, Osamede came out and tell the whole world what killed Sharon. Your own best friend. Your friend came out to tell the whole world what killed your best friend. You kept mute, you animals. With the whole world. Have kidney. Or common a barren woman on my beer. You kept quiet. Your own best friend came out to tell the whole world waiting by your best friend. Somebody came out to tell the whole world waiting by you are an idiot. It's easy to whole world. You did not react. You did not provoke. You did not get you angry. You don't get mad at her. When Baba with a smile and Monica talk, it shocked you. You enter your body and you provoke me because why? You were the one that sent somebody. If you were not the one that sent somebody, just like you were not the one that sent me a message, you were not the one that sent Monica message, you pick it up on us. Don't play. You go learn. This time around, you go hear what. I don't in my house. I don't in my car. You feel so? If not be you send somebody, I believe the way you will pay you for somebody body. 1. 2. The other animals also brass out. Second person will pick up now. Dorothy, Men's Goldie pick up and rise up. To the extent they messed up the man friend of Mama Sharon, who came to console her own girlfriend. Who now manipulate the song to hit up the man. Because of the moon, and the man respected that boy peacefully for peace to reign. The next thing, Men's Goldie come out on social media to be ranting, making noise. Izzy, you kept mute, you never speak, or you never talk. This was coming from your own seats. You never talk. Now when Frank comes to talk, come for attack, you want to talk, just the play. You go let's. Not because won't go there, you might be there. See now they talk on Facebook. I saw the fan. You don't see the man go prison before. The man go court before. I don't stay court. Don't judge my case. Don't sentence me before. Don't be nutty. I don't sentence before. They don't sentence me before. Not be 1 or 2. So don't be nutty. If I don't go prison for Nigeria, Nigeria will worse. I don't go prison for Nigeria. For this abroad, I don't still go. You understand? Not be Facebook. Oh, I'm going to fear me. Ah, boy, Allah. Single one of the police will be don't handcuff me. Carry me go. Sentence to 2 months imprisonment. Now Facebook, no one fear me. Ah, saloa. Yeah, when I get proof, they'll make it. Izzy, Men's Goldie, comment, come talk. First time, second time, you know attack him. No, the one side. Now, let's listen to your own confession. I don't go talk. I'll let this one talk.
And they walk up for inside media just now. Now I see say Izzy Omoruyi. Una know say she first talk say the time where Sharon OKPAMEN. He said that Mama Sharon I want narrate Sharon say una hear that video abi una no hear am.
We hear my sister.
He said she come there house they pray. She they pray. Then Mama Sharon come the narrate she shoot the people come back to Mama Sharon house.
Okay.
Now wait till we hear for you to mad with that one.
Exactly.
For TikTok now, you don't confess for that side.
Okay.
Saying cause that don't mind you don't cliff. Oh my God. Don't cliff. Many people will say for. And they come and they put out for them, make them listen to my people. This life, all of them want to join Izzy. When I talk to them, what castigate Mama Sharon? May una still listen to this small clip, my people. Wait, I do. My people, make una wait. My speaker don't listen. Now they hear now. Why shall we go to coma? She was the first person.
They don't let us get from one church, playing here everywhere. You will never be don't worry, she will be fine. She will be fine. People give her a tank. Wherever you can. Okay. Officer. You will talk about. Here I'm here.
See them.
And then I all of the nothing. Who make a church in the shop? Who make a church in the church? Everybody, if I don't know.
See people.
Everybody they find solution everywhere. So because there are people I also say thank you. It's unfortunate that she did not wake up and she did not come back. If not, the time the one for two.
My speaker just the air for. Not people.
Everybody they find solution everywhere. So because there are people I also say thank you. It's unfortunate that she did not wake up and she did not come back. If not, the time the one for two. In fact, I didn't know what. Then after that, all the guys from one church go playing here everywhere. You don't know.
Me, I sanitize myself with lies. Me lies move my body. I believe say una hear what him talk. This was the same woman. Thank you very much for the gift. This was the same woman, Izzy, who come and say, "Na Mama Sharon narrate her pikin." See, Mama Sharon has crash food there. Mama Sharon dey call everybody. Oh, you better come out. 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 Now she talking. Say na Mama Sharon like her pikin. Now, to God be the glory. She don't. One thing I love so much, since all these things, all this talk now, bad goes. Mama Sharon, I don't know whether they call that presenter. I can only defend myself personally. I can only defend myself. I don't know if Mama Sharon they call other presenter, they tell other presenter something. Because me, I'm not listening. I'm not. Mama Sharon never call me. When they call me, they tell me anything. I want to listen to Mama Sharon. I want to pick words from Mama Sharon. I want to hear any word from Mama Sharon. I'd rather they pick any word from other presenter. Mama Sharon tell me, that's what Mama Sharon talk. No. I get my info because why I'm a live video presenter. I dig at a go person. I dey go person. I get a lot of issues at hand. We say I don't pending now. Maybe tomorrow now will boss on that dead body. On that dead body will fall out tomorrow. Tomorrow now on that dead body will fall out tomorrow. By grace of God. Because I get a lot of things to do now. And if I carry anything we want to do tomorrow, I'll fall out another body. Now, Izzy Omoruyi, you make us understand say Mama Sharon and narrate in Peking. Now, you let us understand now. For this video, what you do for TikTok, through this live confession, you can't let us know, so you don't call heaven and earth. You don't call Akobe. You don't call Don Cliff. You don't call Salob. You don't call Esther. You don't call heaven and earth. Influence. All bugwe. You don't call them. They might be a you don't call them for your friend's sake. Say he did come. No allow. I agree the hassle. I just want to come and play this thing on the here. All those TikTokers with they make noise, with the open platform, the Zoa. I don't blame you now. Now my own way be that one for the own life. But for we or like me, we are stand to talk and we see be. I'm always talking to you. It's people now. Any name when the live one call me or Mozo. One Zoa where they talk. I wanna move. I don't know where I could be children for abroad, all those goddaughter or they be idiots. I don't know why they be like that. All our goddaughter be useless goddaughter. All the goddaughter where I could be they are so stupid. They don't get sense. They be nuisance, they be junkie. All of them are junkie. Just imagine one. If I show one of our goddaughter, now junkie should be junkie.
My people.
All I yes, all I want so.
This one is the way say not to anybody.
No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, The same person will say, you don't tell anybody about coma of Sharon. Now I'm going to confess now, say, you don't tell more than 8 people or everybody who no church, who no tradition, everybody. So what I tell you say, do you think all those people you talk, everybody basically they genuinely love Sharon? Did they want Sharon alive? That's what you don't know. You only know your heart. You don't know other people's heart. But I tell you what I go your hand here. You can house of very well be. God. I never say anything. Wait, let me play other video for you guys. You guys will listen. What's that video? What's that in the man? When I was so good, man. Ezegi the man. I'm so keen, Ezegi. Ezegi. So down.
My people, I bring greetings to you all.
Izzy, good morning. Izzy, thank you. Oh, Kawana was woman in this Europe. Azobalo. I didn't want to get Bunu Yenere.
Hello, everybody.
One day, this is what you are going to say, but I want to ask you a question, Sister Izzy. Before Sharon passed, do I have any issue with you? Do we have issue before that you are hiding? Did I offend you before this case? Is there any day that I, Festina Peters, have wronged you before that you did not tell me before now? That you have to review everything now? Is there anything that I have done to you before? That's beg you. If I have, forgive me. Or no, if I don't know about it, forgive me on that part. You know, they say silent is gold. Silent is gold. Festina, don't talk. I'm losing my sanity. I don't know why people do it, but I've been trying. Me and my family have not slept since last night because it's lies. It's too much. Mind you, I'm not doing this video for anybody's sympathy. You all always insult me, slant me, but I leave you to God. If everything you guys are saying is true, let God vindicate me. I came out this morning to do this video because I didn't sleep last night. Since my friend Pastor will go and name, I've promised myself that I've no hard rest. I've gone through so many things because of her. And I promised myself that the last video I did was the last video I would do for her, but I'm coming out again because of you, Izzy. Everything you said, I won't debunk it. I won't debunk it. In me, I will don't save it. But I will debunk just one. You said I was the one that called everybody. Sister Izzy, I know I expect this video to go. I expect it.
Yes, my people, I greet you all with better start right there. Sharon will never rest until he fight justice for herself. No sinner to early grave. Oh no, second no do. Hey God, I don't die. Hey, what baby. Hear this woman now. Izzy accused Festina Peter. This is Festina Peter talking. Accused Festina Peter of calling people. Now you call Enogie. Now you do this one. Now you do this one. We make everybody know see Sharon OKPAMEN. Bagam. The first video I played, Izzy also confessed on TikTok. Say he called almost about 9 people. Say Sharon OKPAMEN. Maybe they pray for Sharon. We know Jume go Juju. No pastor go pastor. No afame go afa. No olomba go loba. No lezulaza. Inara. Ikwa da. La da. Inna da. Alaza alawa. Le kwa. Koma kalwa. Koma. Removing koma. Remove koma. Inwakwa. Inakoma. Ina tutu inawele. Ina da ina go. Ina wele. Father Lord. Remove koma. If I be a man of God, with the eye of God of my life, oh God, ikatasata, ina tutu ina wele, ina pupu ina pu, ina doggy, ina doggy style, ina doggy style. Give me water, Ecuador, elakuta. Oh, Ama, I am a choosy. Oh, baby. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, I'm going to wrap it up. Mommy, I pin it down. I love God. You see this life imbalance? You see this life? She was accusing Festina Peter 2 days ago. I mean a day ago. Facebook. She accused Festina Peter called everybody. Yesterday here. She go confess for TikTok. Saying that she did call people. Oh! Baba. Thank you for the gift. Australia. Wagagbo. Festina Peter is crying.
When all this thing started, I was happy as I drank. You see me talk, I can see. For Sharon is sick. Here when no one so easy. We're sick. You said I was the first person, and you got 3 people that I Festina. It was the person that covered that news.
Okay.
And you people also said that my sister Epa come on Tuesday. And I had the news on Saturday night around 9 o'clock. I almost had an accident. I just had close for my store where somebody called me.
What is
everybody that I called, it's only one person.
But this kind of cry, I don't like him. If you want to talk, Festina Peter, listen. And you want your talk so. Festina Peter, when I cut this place, go give Festina Peter. If a particular number half your man give Festina Peter, blog, I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna post the picture, you know, Festina Peter. If you go watch this video, go and do so. I know you don't like me, Festina Peter. You don't like me, I know hate you. You misbehave, I put on your body to. I don't first guy you before. You yourself you would threaten me. You understand? Relatively, I got your brain and your breast. You understand? I'll talk my truth. You want to talk, but every time I don't get time. What's on? Mom. Relatively, I don't like your body and your breast. Now you're like, me don't see you like me, but don't problem. Leave on like that, but I will tell you the truth. I know you're a nice girl. Once I don't have fool. You're a nice woman, but if you want to talk about this child matter, I know how you feel.